Hi guys, welcome to Learn Science with me. Today we are going to learn enzymes. So there are many chemical reactions take place in our body, and in most of the reactions enzymes are involved. Even the human body wouldn't exist without enzymes because the chemical reactions requires to maintain the body wouldn't occur fast enough without these enzymes. So these enzymes takes a chemical reaction that would nearly be impossible inside the body and makes it trillion times more favorable. The enzymes are biological catalysts. They speed up the chemical reaction by decreasing activation energy. So the enzymes are biological catalyst. Catalyst word means any substance that speeds up the chemical reactions, the ongoing reaction, and by decreasing the activation energy. And what is this activation energy? Amount of energy needed to start a reaction is called the activation energy. In this graph there is time. This is the time, and here is the activation energy. Here I am going to tell you a reaction which takes place without catalyst or enzyme, and a reaction in which an enzyme is involved. So this is the reaction which takes place without catalyst or enzyme. For this, we need a large amount of activation energy. Without catalyst, we need a large amount of activation energy. And here is another reaction in which a low amount of activation energy is needed, which takes place with the help of catalyst. So enzymes help the reaction to take place in a short period of time without using itself, without being consumed. The enzymes are a specialized class of proteins that catalyze chemical reactions within the cell. Here is the mechanism how these enzymes perform their function in chemical reactions. The enzyme shape attracts a specific molecule, and that molecule which binds to the enzyme are called substrate. There is a specific area on enzyme where substrate binds, which is called active site. This one is substrate. This is the substrate. These are the active sites of enzyme. Substance in our body which have to break down get attached to the enzyme on their active sites. The substrate might fit into the active site as it is, or sometimes it causes the induced fit binding where the enzyme change its shape slightly. So here the induced fit binding of enzymes. Induced fit binding. So the substrate entering the active site. Here you can see there is a change in the shape of enzyme as compared to the substrate. The enzyme is in this shape while the substrate is in circular form. The second diagram you can see the substrate enters to the active site. So the enzyme changes its shape slightly as substrate binds. In the third diagram, there is enzyme substrate complex. In the final stage or in the final step, this enzyme break down this substrate into final products The enzyme break down the complex molecule or the complex substrate into simpler form enzyme, and now this enzyme is free for the next reaction. First step, you can see there is difference in shape of enzyme and the substrate. Enzyme change its shape slightly in order to bind with the substrate. This binding is called induced fit binding, in which the enzyme change its shape slightly. The complex of enzyme and substrate is formed in the third diagram. You can see the complex, while in the final step the enzyme convert the substrate or the complex molecule into simple form. They don't get consumed in the chemical reaction, and now it's ready for another reaction. 6 type of enzymes which we are going to discuss. So hydrolase are a group of enzymes that catalyze bond or break down the bonds by using water. The example of hydrolase enzyme are amylase, the enzyme which break down the carbohydrate, and the protease, the enzyme which break down the proteins. The second group of enzyme are lyases. Lyases are a group of enzymes that break down covalent bonds by means other than hydrolysis, or ligase enzyme. The ligase or synthetase enzyme are a group of enzymes that catalyze the joining of two large molecules by forming a new chemical bond. DNA ligase. The fourth group of enzyme are transferase enzyme. And the transferase enzyme are a group of enzymes that catalyze the chemical reaction by transferring specific functional group from one molecule to another. The fifth group of enzymes are isomerase enzyme. The isomerase enzyme are a group of enzymes that catalyze the chemical reaction by changing within one molecule. They convert one isomer to another. The end product has similar molecular formula. The end product has same chemical formula but a different physical structure. Of enzyme are oxidoreductase enzyme. These enzymes perform their role or catalyze the reaction by the transference of electron from one molecule to another molecule.